Hi everyone, in this session we will continue our discussion about the usage of variable, but in a more sophisticated way. And back in the program, as we see previously, we changed the value in the first parameter and the second parameter of our cloud with the variable xCloud, and we are able to now move our cloud easily and modify the position of the cloud very easily. And now what about this one? If we want to change everything with the variables, not completely everything, I mean what necessary to be changed with the variables, how we gonna do it? And I'll give you the I'll show you the sample. And now we can start by creating for the tower. As you see here, we can say integer x tower, and we put 400. Next we will have y tower, which value is 400 as well. And this is this point. I just want to let you know that the 400 and 400 is this point. And as we know that this is 430. So instead of creating a variable 430, I would like to create integer tower width equal 30. Okay, and what's the height? The height is basically 150, just from here to here. So you can say integer tower height is 150, and after that we will, as we see here, we're able to define the x tower and y tower, and we'll change this with x tower, and we'll change it with y tower. Then we'll change this with x tower plus tower width, and this one is y tower. And this one is x tower plus tower width divided by 2. I hope you don't get confused. Well, this one is this is basically y tower minus tower height. Okay, and you see it is still working well. Yes, it works very well. Perfect. Now we will deal with this part. For the fan, I will create another variable. I will call it integer x fan. And what is the value of it? As we see here, it's 415. 415. Do we have any value that resembles 415? Yes, we have, which is this one, which is this one. So this is 415. So, ouch, what is happening there? Oh, yeah, so we will put, okay, so far so good. So this is 415. If you want to know what's the value of it, you can put print line. After that, x fan. Print line is very important. You see 415, very important syntax because you will use it to debug your program. And after that, so we want to change for all the 415 with xfen. To make it faster, you can, I'm on a Mac, so I will press Command and F, and I'm looking for 415, and I would like to replace it. Let's say if I got this, and I would like to replace 415 with xfen. Okay, and I put replace all, and see, there you go. Now every 415 now has been replaced with xfen, and let's run it. Perfect. Now what about yfen? Yfen, as we know, equal y tower reduced with tower height. Okay, and we want to change every 250 here. Same way, Command F, and we put 250, and we change it with yfen. But remember, the background here, it shouldn't be changed. So let's say if we change it, there you go. But don't forget to change this one back to 250. All right, good. And if we run our program, still perfect. Okay, now we have changed most of the important numbers with our variables. Now let's test it. Let's say I want to move my windmill from here to here. If I change the X tower with 100 and see how it works, there you go. See, everything moves here. So this our transformation from numbers to variables has been done perfectly. Let's see, let's try again with 300. Okay, you see here. Now you see why you want to use variables instead of just using numbers, because you couldn't imagine if you need to change every numbers here with again and again. That being said, we did a good job, and in the next session I will show you more stuff, and I'll see you next time.